जय श्री राम. अश्वत्थः न श्वस्थास्यति. अश्वत्थः न श्वस्थास्यति. Not existing in the future. Ashwatthah na shवस्थास्यति. Not existing in the future. Ashwatthah na shवस्थास्यति. Ashwatthah na shवस्थास्यति. Not existing in the future. Okay, 10.26 and 15.1, 15.3.4. So 10.26 Ashwatthas Sarva Vrikshanam. Ashwatthas Sarva Vrikshanam. Among all trees, I am the Ashwatha tree, the people tree. And Ashwatha is defined as na shवस्थास्यति, not existing in the future. And Ashwatham 15.1 and 15.3.4. ऊर्ध्वमूलमदशाकम् अश्वत्थं प्राहुरव्ययम् छन्दांसि यस्य पर्णानि यस्तं वेद स वेदवित्. So, asangashastreena, drudena chitva, asangashastreena, the axe of detachment. Cut down this tree with the axe of detachment. Asangashastreena, the axe of detachment. So, Ashwatha nashvasthashyati, not existing in the future, expands just like the material world with endless branches. Its endless branches are Rig, Sama, Yajur, Atharva, Veda, and leaves are the hymns, providing the means to attain one's desires for immediate material enjoyment. So this tree of material existence appears to bestow Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha, all the Purusharthas, but actually it causes increasing bondage. And its fruits are actually toxic in reality. Therefore, cut it down with the axe of detachment. Asanga shastrena dridena chitva. Cut it down with the weapon of